Hey, fourth grade, welcome to your online Spanish classes. Today we'll be talking about masculino y femenino, which means masculine and feminine when we're talking about noun genders, and los artículos, which means the articles, in this case, the word the and the different forms of the word the. So here are some things that we need to discuss for our distance learning. So we'll be working from their same workbooks that we do in class. If you do not have access to a printer, you can write your answers on a sheet of paper instead. And then to turn in your assignments, you will scan or then take a picture of your work and email it to this address, northhenryspanish@gmail.com. And today's assignment will be due on Monday, the 23rd. So all Spanish nouns have a gender, and we've discussed this before. So they're either masculine or feminine. Spanish nouns ending in an O are usually masculine, so it means that there are some exceptions. And the same thing with the nouns ending in an A, they are usually feminine, but there are also exceptions. So one thing that is always the same is the days of the week, the months of the year, and the names of rivers are always masculine. The meaning of some Spanish noun dictates the gender of a word. So for example, a man is masculine, therefore the word señor, even though it doesn't end in an O, is masculine. So we would say el señor. A woman is feminine, therefore the word señora is feminine, and we would say la señora. Some Spanish nouns don't follow a particular rule, so these are words that you just have to memorize. First, let's read and practice saying the words. Enero, mesa, ojo, jueves, padre, cuaderno, señora, hombre, lápiz, febrero, capital, lunes, septiembre, pupitre, domingo, boca, abril, calendario, silla, amigo, globo, amiga, señorita, papel, martes, reloj, profesora, borrador, libro, puerta, madre, señor. All of these are words that we have done in previous lessons. But just to recap, let's tell you what they mean. January, table, I, Thursday, father, notebook, Mrs., man, pencil, February, capital, Monday, September, desk, Sunday, mouth, April, calendar, chair, friend that is a boy or a man, globe, friend that is a girl or a woman, señorita is miss or a woman that has never been married or a girl, paper, Tuesday, watch or clock, female teacher, eraser, book, door, mother, and Mr. So in these sections, you're going to fill in the words to match the headings. These are the headings in bold. So there are 32 words and also 32 boxes, which means that you're only going to use each word once. So you're going to want to pay attention to these special ones like days of the week. You have, let's see, there is enero, which is actually a month of the year, but it also ends in an O. But we want to make sure that we use this one in this category for the months of the year. Okay, and then the word like global would go in the ones that end in O because it does not match any of these. Okay, so now the ones that have no particular rule, it means that you may not know if it's actually feminine or masculine. So let's leave this one for last so you can use deductive reasoning. Okay, so also when you write the words, you want to write an M or an F, okay, to indicate if it's masculine or feminine. Okay, so this worksheet talks about the word the. So in Spanish, there are actually 4 ways to say the word the. And it has to match the masculine and the feminine here, or if it's singular and if it's plural. So these are the 4 that we'll use. If it's a singular masculine word, like el libro, we will use el. If it's a singular feminine word, it will use la, like la silla. If it's a plural masculine, that means there's more than one, we will use los, like los libros. If it's a plural feminine word, we will use las sillas. So here you have the English words, and you're going to write in the Spanish words. But let's look at the rules first. So like we said, there was 4 ways to say the, and the definite article agrees with the subsequent noun in gender. Okay, so it means that it matches the gender of the noun, whether it's masculine or feminine. And then also the number, if it is singular or plural. So masculine singular nouns are preceded by el. Feminine singular nouns are preceded by la. And then here we have some examples. The masculine plural nouns are preceded by los, and feminine plural nouns are preceded by las. And here again are some more examples. So let's look closer at this section of our worksheet. So we saw there were 4 sections to complete. So we will write the Spanish the form, okay, whichever one it matches. Okay, and then up here you see the Spanish words that we'll need to match these. So let me go ahead and tell you what these are. Borrador is eraser. Calendario is calendar. Cuaderno is notebook. Globo is globe. Lápiz is pencil. Mesa is table. Pizarra is chalkboard. Pluma is pen. Puerta is door. Reloj is clock. And silla is chair. So you're going to find the one that matches the English vocabulary word, and then you're going to write the word the in front of these. So here it would say el libro for a singular. Then if you have more than one book, it is los libros. So you're going to do that all the way down the line. Okay, so to recap, today's lesson is really about practicing pronunciation. So you want to listen to those recordings and practice these at home. Then you will complete the worksheets or write your answers on a sheet of paper and then submit your work to northhenryspanish@gmail.com. And then I'm expecting these to be turned in by Monday the 23rd. I know you guys are working on a lot of other things for your classes, so just reach out to me if you need a little extra time. Okay, so the workbook pages can also be found on GradeLink and as an attachment to the email. There will also be a link to this YouTube video and the PowerPoint itself. So I hope you guys are doing great. I miss seeing you guys. Just stay safe out there. Remember to wash your hands. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, guys.